Aguila. That's their special sale po ng bulyon. The special sale po nila. So, meron pong postal residence po yun. So, ito po yung historical island. Ang formerly fur colony. So mamaya po ipakita ko po sa inyo yung loob po ng kanilang Spanish church.